So you might be in a situation where for some reason your TikTok watch history is just not working. So maybe you're inside of TikTok and the watch history itself is just not working no matter what you're doing. Now, the very first thing I'd recommend doing here for the most part is to go through and try seeing if you can restart TikTok. So right inside of the TikTok application, try going through and try seeing if you can essentially, restart TikTok. That can be a really, really easy thing to try doing. So try going inside of here, try restarting the application, and you want to see if that ends up fixing the problem. Chances are for a lot of people, that actually might end up fixing it for you. So that's kind of one of those things I'd recommend doing. Now, if that doesn't end up doing it, another thing you might have to try doing is to try restarting TikTok. So once again, make your way over into your app store just like this. Try to find the TikTok app, which sometimes it should just be kind of laying around right here. And all you're going to want to do here is you want to go ahead and basically update your TikTok application. If you're on the website, just restart the website. But a lot of the times, if you just update the TikTok app, that can also be another one of those things that might end up, kind of giving you that watch history type of feature set, and it might end up fixing it for you here as well. If that's still not working, you might have to go through and try seeing if you can try maybe restarting your phone, or try, seeing if TikTok is actually down. If you go to downdetector.com, sometimes TikTok might have some issues, so you might just have to go and kind of wait it out until they end up fixing the problem. So that pretty much covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.